Hello folks, and welcome back to my channel, The Scottish Model Railway Guy. Today's going to be something very different to what I normally do. Like most of my stuff's been tutorials, how to do the scenics that you can see, zebra crossings, anything to do with Hornby, Metcalfe, all that sort of stuff. But one of the things that I've tinkered with is stop motion. Now I've seen some fantastic examples, Dillington Model Railway being one of the best that I've seen. They always manage to do something really interesting and get a bit of humour in there, which I find fantastic. Now I'm not going to try the humour thing today, baby steps. So what I'm going to try to do is make a realistic scene where things are moving around. So wish me luck, here we go. Hang on folks, and go. And that was my first attempt at stop motion. Very rudimentary, to be honest. It's not exactly anywhere near what I've seen before elsewhere. However, it was an attempt, and for me it was successful because I learned something. So how did I do it? On that very rough stop motion video that I could spend a lot more time on if I had it, to be honest. Well, I did it by using Stop Motion Studio, which was a free download, and it was very simple to use, a little bit clunky in bits, but fairly simple to use. So yeah, expect some more of that. I'm not going to go crazy on it because I've got a lot to do in the layout and a lot of stuff to get through, but do expect some more of that to inject a little bit of change to the channel. So if you've never been here before, now's a great time to subscribe because I'm doing all sorts all over the place on the layout. This is just one little piece of it, one of the older pieces actually, and I think it's looking quite good. There's a lot done with the tracks, a lot done with the level crossing and the zebra crossing, and the wee lights flickering away in the background. So yeah, feel free to subscribe, throw me a like, throw me a comment. I'd love to hear what you'd like to see in the stop motion front. So yeah, thanks folks, see ya.